Welcome to our video on how to promote self-service. There are two ways to promote self-service, within Zendesk and outside of Zendesk. Today, we'll explore both. Promoting self-service within Zendesk can be done in three key ways. One of them is the agent signatures. Include links to self-service resources. Another one are business rules. Automate responses that point to self-service options. And last but not least, promoting articles. Highlight useful articles directly in customer interactions. Another feature that can help with this are our Zendesk Bots. Leverage Zendesk Bots to promote self-service as well. These bots use your Zendesk Guide knowledge base to provide curated answers, encouraging customers to help themselves first. They're really good at responding to customers instantly, always consistent and reliable, and works with your support team. Promote self-service outside of Zendesk by using a website or an app. You can add links to self-service resources there. Social media, announce and update self-service options, especially useful for younger audiences. Email signatures, include links to self-service resources. Proactive messaging, inform customers about self-service updates. And you can also utilize web widgets. Provide contextual help if not using Zendesk Bots. And that's on promoting self-service. Thank you for watching and see you next time.